Hey guys, welcome back to OverLand. My name is Chad, and today we're going to be working on replacing those upper rear sway bar bushings. In a previous video, we went for a little camping trip with the neighborhood, and when we got back, we realized there's some extra clunking, and yeah, this is what we found. Is we heard a little extra clunking, and I don't know if you can see this. We'll sneak in here. Yeah, those upper bushings are missing. As you can see in the last video, we had our upper sway bar bushings disappear on us. So we're going to go ahead and replace on these. You know, proper tools and all. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that's what we have a foot for, right? Breaks it loose. And then hope we don't get a massive crescent wrench dropped on our head. Yeah, a little push. Do not get your fingers in there. Alrighty. Okay, good. Enough. Ew, that really didn't survive well. There's a little bit left of those. Those bushings really just ate themselves. Okay, let's clean that guy out. There we go. There we go, now we're talking. Brake cleaner really dissolves the crap out of this shit. Alright, so we got our new bushings and spacer bushings that I assume go on the outside of these. Oh, so gooey. Just get this cleaned up. This is just disgusting. It really is like trying to clean bubblegum off your shoe. This is just a Dremel bit stuffed on the end of a shaft, glued to the end of a shaft. So that's how we got that going. Well, I got all our bits and bobs cleaned up, and I am, when I'm putting this, assembling this back in the truck, going to pack this thing with grease just 'cause I feel like it. Yeah. Okay, now hammer it back. I think that's gonna do it, yeah. Okay, we gotta come up just a skosh. There we go. There we go. Put the washer on it. Put it back in. There we go. And just enough to get the other side on. And like so, to there. Okay. There we go. Oh my God. How much brake cleaner is too much brake cleaner to ingest in a day? Hey, 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 hey. Not over my head, you fat bastard. Okay. So that we could use a foot to hold it. There we go. All right. Okay, we're gonna need some touch-up paint. There we go. Time. And there we go. So we've got that guy done. We're losing the light daylight. The passenger side was just as fun. So yeah. So thanks for joining me here and doing this little side project. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So click that little subscribe button down there in the corner and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye. Yeah, so thanks for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like. Neighbors kids. Hey guys, welcome back to OverLand. My name is Chad, and today we're going to go ahead and try and fix those upper... fuck are they called?